Hello guys, good morning. My real name is Maricris, and for everyone asking, I'm from the Philippines. So for today, hot numbers, November 27, I write in the notebook. So for you not to ask where I find that number, where I take it, so I take it by myself and thinking by myself. So here's the number for today. I'm not good in writing. Even if I'm not good in writing numbers, I just write in my notebook for you to know that I'm studying that number and not taking to anywhere. I just put it in the computer in TikTok, so the numbers will